What's shaking bacon? I got some 1819 status. I'm basically working like 3 jobs at the moment, so I'm not entirely sure, but I think this was released retail only. I haven't seen any other boxes. You know, last year the 1718 had that one like hobby box that had 1 auto, which you've seen me break a ton of those, but for this I haven't seen anything other than blasters and these rack packs. I think there might be hanger boxes too, but anyways, my point is I think it's retail only. So I kind of like didn't see it, like when I do my normal pre-orders of hobby boxes, I did not see this anywhere, but I saw it on eBay and I'm like, okay, here I am, let me get this. So I grabbed 2 of the hanger packs and 1 blaster box, which does have 1 auto or mem card, same as the blasters last year. Here we're looking for exclusive aqua parallels, so let's get into this and see who we get and see what they look like. These cards are interesting to say the least. Last year they're still kind of what do you call this, what kind of oh my god, I'll think of it in a second. What is the name of this like color, these lighter colors? I can't think of it. Give me a minute. So anyways, there's the front. There's the back. Pastel. They're like pastel type colors. They look like they belong in an Easter basket. So Gobert, Devin Booker, Kevin Durant. They're not as shiny. Last year cards had, you know, that reflective hollow foil look. These are very flat compared to that. Eric Bledsoe, Paul George, Karl Anthony Towns, Hardaway Jr., Kyle Lowry, Rodney Hood. Here is Allen Iverson, top status. So these are foil. Jake Evans, the 3rd rookie. Troy Brown Jr., rookie credentials. Mo Bamba, rookie. Watanabe rookie, and Troy Brown Jr. rookie again. So these I think are the aqua parallels. So it looks like, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and maybe this is, I'm not entirely sure. Oh, I forgot to mention these are 15 card packs, and then there are 40 cards in the blaster box. Alright, Cantor, Blake Griffin, Hassan Whiteside, Jaylen Brown, Antetokounmpo, Dwight Howard, Joel Embiid, Dirk, Anthony Davis, a Zach LaVine Elite Series, Amari Spellman rookie, Reggie Jackson, Jacob Evans III, Amari Spellman, and Miles Bridges. So those are kind of cool, but overall not much happening there in the rack pack. So let's check out this blaster, which has 8 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Let's see if we have any better luck here. Here's some digital packs if anybody wants those. Use code STATUSBK19 when you download the Dunk app. Alright, it'd be nice to pull an auto out of here. Surprisingly, Status last year was one of the few blaster boxes where I was actually able to pull some autos. You know, in general you end up with game use just about every time. So we'll see how this goes. Westbrook, Butler, Dirk. Oh, Luka parallel. I think that's a parallel. Looks like a lime green rookie. Not numbered or anything, but cool. And then Jalen Brunson rookie. Markkanen, Anthony Davis, Fournier, Magic Johnson top status, and Gary Trent Jr. rookie. This one feels a little bit thicker, so it might have, yeah, it's got something in there. Might be jersey card. Meritic, Jarrett Allen, Gary Harris. Again, looks to be like a lime green. The jersey is John Starks, so not the best. I mean, just a average legendary status jersey with a tiny piece of jersey at that. Divincino rookie. There's Lonzo, Middleton, Prince, Trae Young rookie green. So that's this box has been good for the green parallels, which I just noticed. Blaster exclusive green parallels, so that's actually pretty good to get the Trae Young and the Luka in the same box, both parallels. I'll take that any day out of a blaster. Aldridge, Ariza, Vucevic green, a green rookie credentials, Jerome Robinson, and Javon Carter, but this kind of has a rough cut bottom. Gosh, my fingernails look terrible, sorry. Like I said, I've been working like a freaking maniac. Ugh. Jeremy Lin, taking time away from my cards. Middleton, Elite Series, and Devontae Graham, rookie. But, gotta pay those bills. Bradley Beal, Cauley Stein, green LeBron. Wow, what a good box. This has been really good. Trier green rookie, and Zaire Smith rookie in our last pack. Gary Harris, Conley, McCollum, green Jonathan Williams rookie, and Lonnie Walker, the 4th rookie. So, I wasn't in love with the rack packs really, but the blaster box, I ain't mad at it. That's for sure. It was pretty good. These green parallels, if they're worth anything. Even getting the Luke, yeah, I'm definitely not going to argue with that. So that's it. 1819 status retail. I'll try to see if I can get a couple of the hanger boxes, which I wish I had ordered with these to save on shipping, but I'm not always the brightest bulb in the box. But I'll check and see if they've got those and what the little, you know, shtick is with those, what kind of special parallels or whatnot those have, and I might grab a few of those for you guys. But that's it. Status. Like it, don't like it, comment below, let me know. Everybody take care, subscribe if you haven't already, please, and I will see y'all again soon.